Hello Dnation and welcome to a unique MotoGP review episode. Well, in today's episode we are going to be reviewing the top 4 licensed MotoGP superbikes from the 2014 and 2015 championships, and these are 118 scale diecast model replicas manufactured by Maisto. So stay tuned with me on this one and let's get this started. Well, to save you the trouble of unboxing, I already pre-opened these premium licensed diecast models, so let's jump right into it and begin by taking a look at these top 4 MotoGP superbikes from 2014 and 2015, which are premium as always, and these are 118 scale licensed replicas manufactured by Maisto. So start your engines and let's get this started. Grand Prix motorcycles are purpose-built racing machines that are generally unavailable for purchase by the general public or able to be ridden legally on public roads. This contrasts with the various production-based categories of racing. So today, if not for the real deal, I could at least take pride in unboxing and reviewing the top 4 licensed MotoGP superbike replicas from my older Motogp Championship motorcycle collection. These licensed Grand Prix superbike diecast replicas look quite premium like their life-size counterpart, with attention to the minutest of details, and have good build quality to them, and also with quite a bit of intricate detailing with paint apps and team affiliated decals. And these models are manufactured mostly of diecast and a few components made of ABS plastic, which makes them premium looking. And these models measure in at 4.8 inches in length, 3.8 inches in height, 2 inches in width, and weigh in at about 110 grams each. These models also come with signature trademark paint apps with standard branding details and racing decals, and also have free rolling wheels, a race stand, excellent suspension, and a lot more intricate details, which makes them premium collectibles and functional as well. I'm happy that I made a choice to get this 2017 and 2015 MotoGP variations, as I'll be able to add this to my ever-growing 118 scale MotoGP bike collection. And with these models you're guaranteed replicas which are built to last and will warm the hearts of any MotoGP collector or hobbyist. And now let's take a closer look at each of these signature MotoGP Championship superbikes. Let's begin with the Yamaha factory racing team. Here I have both the top 2 Yamaha Racing Team superbikes with their respective eras. So let's begin with the signature number 46 MotoGP bike. This signature number 46 motorcycle's official rider is none other than the Dr. Valentino Rossi, which was ridden to victory in the 2015 MotoGP Championship. And this is the signature number 99 MotoGP bike, which was ridden by Valentino Rossi's esteemed teammate Jorge Lorenzo for the 2014 MotoGP Championship. Now, let's take a look at the Repsol Honda team's top motorcycle of its era. Well, this is the signature number 26 MotoGP bike, which was ridden by none other than Dani Pedrosa for the 2014 MotoGP Championship. And now, let's take a closer look at this beauty. And finally, we have the Ducaticorsa Racing's top MotoGP motorcycle of its respective year. This is none other than the signature number 29 MotoGP bike that was ridden by none other than Andrea Lennone at the 2015 MotoGP Championship. Well, that's a little information about each one of these iconic MotoGP Championship superbikes. And so with that being said, now let's place these fast and furious beauties on the Dnation dyno and check out their wheel spin and their functionality. Kindly find further features and specifications regarding these premium diecast replicas in the description below. Let's begin the dyno test with the number 46 MotoGP bike from Yamaha Factory Racing. And now let's take a look at the number 26 MotoGP bike from Repsol Honda Team Racing. And now moving on to the number 99 MotoGP bike from Team Yamaha Factory Racing. And finally, we have the number 29 from ducaticorsa Racing Team. Well, everything seems to be spot on and up to my expectations with these iconic championship MotoGP superbikes. And so with that being said, let's place these licensed diecast models on the Dnation turntable and take a look at these beauties in a 360-degree view. Here are a few fun facts. Grand Prix motorcycle racing is the premium class of motorcycle road racing events held on road circuits sanctioned by the Fédération Internationale of Motocyclisme. Independent motorcycle racing events have been held since the start of the 20th century, and large national events were often given the title Grand Prix. The foundation of the Fédération Internationale of Motocyclisme as the international governing body of motorcycle sports in 1949 provided the opportunity to coordinate rules and regulations in order that the selected events could count towards the official World Championships. It is the oldest established motorsport World Championship. The championship is currently divided into 4 classes: Moto Grand Prix, Moto2, Moto3 and MotoE. The first 3 classes uses 4-stroke engines, while the MotoE classes uses electric motors. The 2019 MotoGP season comprises 19 Grand Prix, which 12 held in Europe, 3 in Asia, 2 in the Americas and 1 in Australia and the Middle East. And for further information on MotoGP, kindly check the link in the description below. And if you want to get yourself or your loved ones any one of these 118 scale licensed MotoGP superbikes that were featured in today's video, I dropped the Best Buy link in the description below. So go check it out and get yourself one if you're interested. And also please do let me know in the comments below as to which one of these championship winning Grand Prix superbike replicas were your favorite. And this brings us to the end of this amazing and one-of-a-kind review episode. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I enjoyed making it for you. And if you guys enjoyed this video, give it a massive thumbs up and share it. And don't forget to smash that subscribe button if this is your first time here. And also don't forget to click that bell icon so you don't miss out on any of our upcoming episodes. And if you care to share your views on this particular episode, please do drop your comments below. And stay tuned for a lot more exciting episodes coming up. Well, thank you for watching. Take care and I'll see you on the next one.